Hello everyone, I'm Marva. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome, and if you're returning viewers, welcome back. This video will show you how you can make a quick and easy meal. Egg and noodle in less than 15 minutes. I get gist for you. You know that girl with 20k followers on IG now? That kid that is always shaking out. I have with me here Mr. Areg Beshola. He's a Nigerian, and I wanted a Nigerian individual perspective as part of this video. That's the reason why I introduced him, and he's going to tell us why noodle and egg is a very popular dish in Nigeria. Mr. Areg Beshola?
Mr. Aregbeshola. Okay.
Pardon?
And the reason why noodles and egg is popular in Nigeria is because it's easy to cook, affordable, and in 15 minutes it's ready to.
Egg and noodle is one of the very popular dish I saw when I was in Lagos. So you're saying it's a very popular dish for college students as well as the working class.
Even families.
And families. Okay, so what do they eat this noodle with? Do they eat it by itself? Can you explain what the dishes consist of?
It depends on how you want it or what you can afford at the time. Some people cook and make it look like jollof rice. Some people add curry to it, make it look like fried rice. Some people put some vegetables in it. Some people cut up the atarodo, which is the Scotch bonnet.
Atarodo?
Yes, that's the Scotch bonnet. To make it more spicy, it depends on what you want. And some people had vegetable oils to it. Some people just cook it straight without vegetable oils. It depends on how you want it. But what we'll be doing today is we've been cooking it with some frozen vegetables, and we're going to show you the process of how it goes.
So it will be, this dish will consist of noodles, mixed vegetables, carrot, peas, and corn.
And don't forget, we have the eggs here too.
And egg.
Here we have the shrimp and we have the chicken flavor here. Right.
I get gist for you. You know that girl with 20k followers on IG now?
This is the noodles we have here.
So here I have for this egg and noodle, I have egg, I have mixed vegetables, and of course the noodle with shrimp flavor, and also I have olive oil and spices. So these are all the items I will be using for this quick and easy, less than 15 minutes meal. Just to mince them up. Here I have 2 pots on the stove, one to boil the eggs and one to boil the noodle. So I have 2 of the noodles, and I will let it boil for exactly 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, I drained the water, and this is what the noodle looks like. So now I've heated the oil. I will add the onions and garlic. Here I add all the spices to the onion and garlic and stir for 30 seconds, then cover for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I add the vegetables, add the noodle to the vegetable and spices, and stir very well. At this point, you can add more spices or salt if you so desire. Stir very well and then remove from the burner. So there are 2 ways to prepare the eggs. I've already boiled 2 eggs, and the other option is to fry the eggs, whichever of your choice. So I am frying 1 egg, and I will add a little bit of salt. And a little black pepper. Voila! And this is the finished product. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching, and see you at my next video. Bye bye.